Hi ladies, I'm just going to do an example of one of these percent change word problems. It's a lot like the one we did in class. If you want to buy an item in a store and it costs $40 and it's on sale for 30% off, then how much would it cost you after the discount? So remember in class, we talked about if something is 30% off, then you pay 70%. So if I started with $40, the shirt is $40 or whatever you're buying, and it's 30% off. It's the same thing as saying times 70% is the amount that you actually pay, because you're only paying 70%. So this is 40 times 0.7, which is going to be $28. Another way you could have done it is to say, well, what's 30% of 40? 40 times 0.3. Well, that's going to be 4 times 3 is 12. Move the decimal point over, move it back again. And then it's 40 minus 12, which is 28. You could do it either way. Okay, good luck.